Oftentimes, when we are traveling around the world, we are not sure what should be part of our checklist. We are always confused. That's when PackSmartNow Intelligent Smart Checklist Generator helps you to create a checklist to make your travel easier and safer. Once the bags are packed, you can be with peace of mind. We wish you a happy travels from PackSmartNow team. In this demo, we are going to take a look into our application PackSmartNow, which is an intelligent checklist generator for your upcoming trips and occasions, whether it could be personal or a business trip. Here are some quick links for you to get started. You can submit a new occasion, and you can always check your checklist by adding new items or removing your items from your checklist. You can also check your things to do at your travel location. You can also browse our knowledge base where it has the content related to your travel trips. Let's take a sneak peek of one of the KB article. This is going to explain you about how to modify or cancel your reservation. Let, let's go back to the home page. And if you scroll a little down, you can see something called occasions. Right here, I have submitted a new occasion for as knowledge 25. The current location is Dallas and travel location is Vegas. And I gave the occasion type as business, mode of travel is air, activate the weather alerts, and save this occasion. Once this occasion is submitted, now you can go to the checklist tab on the top, and we have something called as checklist manager that will help us to create a checklist manager whenever we create an occasion based on the pre-built templates. And once this is generated, you can always add or remove this checklist. You can also manually add if any of the checklist items are missing. You can also add ask AI to generate more checklist items for you based on your user preferences. Once this checklist is created, you can always keep track of this checklist, whether you need to buy it or you already bought it, or you can always say if it is packed, you can just click a check mark on this. And once this is done, let's move on to things to do based on the travel location you have given as Vegas. Now you can always add manually things to do for your list, and you can also ask AI that will automatically pull all the things to visit in Vegas that are highly popular, and you can always check mark this completed as well and add additional notes for your to do things. And right here, once all this is completed, we have something called Now Assist using virtual agent. Now you can see how is weather predictions in Vegas. You can see the VA is replying back to me. I'm going to type it as yes. And right here you can see that the weather is expected to have some rain and has calm winds with the low UV levels. It's asking us to pack an umbrella and rain is expected. And it also says enjoy your trip to Vegas. This is how the weather predictions are provided via virtual agent. And now if I want to ask few more questions, I'm going to ask if meals are covered in my business trip. Yeah, it automatically gives us a KB article, which will help us to give little more information about the meals. It says meals expenses are covered, and with the tips and gratitudes up to 15 to 20% of the meals. That's all. With this, we can easily find the information without going too many tabs. I mean, in this chat, as we have opted in for the email notifications, we can see there are a couple of emails that got generated. This email notification schedule job runs every 2 hours, and it generates alerts something like this. We can see there's a weather uh, forecast to rain tomorrow, and we can also say that there's a prediction that we need to carry an umbrella to stay dry. And this is a wow factor for this application. And have a great trip ahead. And this feature is also available in the mobile application.
So along with our UI, we also did a mobile UI as well, where users can navigate to Now Mobile and log in and see how what are their occasions planned and where their trips are planned, and they can also see the push notification. Let's say if I can go to occasion, I can see my location. So I'm going to Vegas, and my current location is Atlanta, and it's from me. I'm seeing the data. The same with other one. So if I also can see my trips, so when I click on my trips, I can see if I have any events planned. So if you can see on May 8th and 9th, I have an event planned, so I can see this data as well. And once if I had an alert for notifications, if I can go here, if there is a weather change in one of my location, I'll receive a push notifications here as well.